Any moment there's an opportunity to appreciate what I have, who I am, what is happening, and not because I think I want it, but because it is happening. This is reality. Do you want to argue with reality? When I argue with reality, I'm lost. I'm losing. You know, I can tell this leaf, hey, you should not be a leaf, you should be a stone instead, and it's really bad that you are a leaf and I hate you for it, and now I'm gonna be upset. Come on. This is ridiculous. It's not gonna support me to be happy. Okay, maybe I would like this leaf to be a stone. Fair enough. Is it doing it? No. This leaf is a leaf. So what I can do is I can say, okay, acknowledge, it's a leaf. Appreciate, hey, beautiful, it's a leaf. And start again. Because once I stop obsessing over the fact that this should be a stone and this is wrong and this is wrong, suddenly a lot of energy is freed up to look around and find the stone that I'm looking for. And not anymore suffer with my thought that the leaf should not be a leaf.